Open Canva and bring in your image and simply duplicate your image into many copies, then push them aside. Now let's begin to crop our images one after the other. So we crop this one from the head to the neck, then bring in the second image and crop again, but this time around we are cropping it from the shoulder to the arms level. Bring in your third image and crop it again from the head down to the arms or the waist level, just like so. And bring in your last image and make sure it's rightly positioned. Then you remove the background of this image, then duplicate it. Duplicate your image, go to text and add a heading. Type in your text. In this case, I'm typing in summer because I'm looking to create a summer poster. Adjust your text and move up. Then change the color of your text to green. I chose this army green because it best fits my design. Go to Canvas and choose Catchy Major. Then duplicate your text and position it right behind the image. Click on Layers and move the image above the two texts so that it stays behind the image. Now click on Add a Heading again and type in your text. In this case, I'm typing in Vibes. Change the font to Catchy Major and change the color. Duplicate your text and position it very well and move it behind. Go to Effect, choose Holo and go to Colors and change the background color to light gray. Search for light pattern texture background in your element, choose that and let it cover the whole image and set it as a background. Now go to Layers and choose each of the cropped images and increase the corner rounding to 100, just like so. And here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time on Innovate.